Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to be installing some magnetic door stops. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So this door does not have a door stop, which means before long this doorknob is going to punch a hole in the drywall right there. And so I want to install some door stops, and so I got these to closely match the finish on the door hardware. And these are magnetic. Most door stops are not, you screw them into the baseboard. These are a little bit different. I'm going to mount this one on the baseboard, and then I've got the catch that'll go on the mating side on this door. And so there's a series of screws that get attached to each one of these. These are way too fancy. The ones you get from the big box store, it's basically one screw, and you have a choice to either stick it on the baseboard or on the door. It's personal preference. But on this installation, I'm going to put the long part on against the baseboard so I don't step on it when I open the door, and we'll get started. By the way, this is the kit I'm using. This is an Amazon. So these things come with wall anchors. I'm just going to use the screws that they gave me to install into the baseboard. I'm not going to use a wall anchor, and I need to locate it so that I hit somewhere on the other side of this door. These doors have a small wood frame that go around the perimeter of the door, and then the inside is basically just cardboard. So I want to make sure I locate this so that it contacts the edge of the door and it catches. So this looks to be about the right position. So I'm going to take a pencil and just kind of mark this. So I know where to locate it, and then the back unscrews, and I can set that in the center and put the screws in. Well, that's not going anywhere, and that is certainly overkill. And then there's just screws right on top of it. I need to get rid of my pencil line there, but that's not going anywhere. Okay, with the stem in place, this is the other part. It's the magnet part, and this has a little spring feature to it, and that sticks like so. So when it contacts, it's supposed to have a little cushion. So what I'm going to do is just make another pencil mark around the base of this on the back of this door, and I'll know where to locate it. All right, this is a little piece that unscrews out of the center of that catch. I got two screws. I'm going to locate it here in the middle and screw it in. I don't want to screw it too tight because this is really flimsy, cheap wood that's around the perimeter of this door. So I'm going to get it in the middle of my mark. Okay, and the catch has a little spring on it and the cup down below, so hopefully this should just go right together. Now, with any luck, when I open these doors, they're all going to line up. So let's try that. Yay, okay. All right, that's good contact. So this is an 8-foot door, and this is a surprisingly strong magnet. It takes, I don't know, maybe 5 pounds of pressure to pull it off. But anyway, that works out well, and as you can see here, I've got plenty of space between the doorknob and the drywall, so I won't be in danger of punching a hole in it. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.